In the dynamic city of Toronto, where the freedom of two-wheel travel is celebrated, finding the perfect motorcycle repair shop is akin to uncovering a hidden gem. Today, I wish to shed light on the critical elements to consider in this pursuit, as well as essential knowledge every rider should possess. When seeking the finest motorcycle repair shop, prioritize expertise and experience. Opt for establishments with certified mechanics who intimately understand various motorcycle makes and models, quality parts, comprehensive services, transparent pricing, and timeliness are non-negotiable factors that ensure your beloved machine is in the best hands. But knowledge is equally essential. Regular maintenance is the lifeblood of motorcycle longevity, and safety should be paramount. Know when to tackle dire tasks and when to entrust professionals with complex repairs. Keep meticulous maintenance records and equip yourself with the tools and knowledge needed for the road emergencies. With these insights, you can confidently navigate the thrilling world of motorcycle ownership in Toronto. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just embarking on your two-wheeled adventures, these considerations and knowledge will ensure that your rides are marked by exhilaration, safety, and the joy of the open road.